Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me Shadashirao. Today's session we are going to learn the most important Java interview questions. The first question is, can there be any abstract methods without abstract classes? No. If there is any abstract methods in a class, that class must be an abstract. It's not possible to be any abstract methods without an abstract class. The next question is, can you use an abstract and final both with a method? Can you use abstract and final both with a method? No, because abstract methods needs to be overridden, whereas you can't override the final methods. If you see here, abstract methods must need to be overridden, but final methods cannot override the final methods. It's not possible to use an abstract and final both with a method. The next question is it possible to instantiate the abstract class? No, abstract class cannot never be Instantiated. It's not possible to create an object of abstract class. The next question is, what is an interface? Interface is a blueprint of a class that have a specific constants and an abstract methods. It can be used to achieve fully abstraction and a multiple inheritance. The interface is a blueprint of a class that have a specific constants and an abstract methods. It is it can be used to achieve fully abstraction and a multiple inheritance. By using the interfaces, we can achieve multiple inheritance and abstraction. The next question is, what is a marker interface? An interface that have no data members and methods is known as a marker interface. For example, serialization, clonable, these are the marker interface. It doesn't have any methods and members. An interface that have no data members and methods is known as a marker interface. The next question is, what is the difference between abstract class and interface? Abstract class. An abstract class can have methods body. An abstract class can have a method body, non-abstract methods. Interfaces have only abstract methods. An abstract class can have instance variables. An interface cannot have an instance variables. If you see the interface, there is no instance variable in the interfaces. But abstract classes instance variables available. An abstract class can have constructor. Interface cannot have any constructors. Abstract class is nothing but a class. It have a constructor. But interface cannot have constructors. An abstract class can have a static methods. It's possible to declare a static methods in abstract class. Interface cannot have a static methods. It doesn't possible to declare a static methods in the interface. You can extend one abstract class. You can extend the abstract classes. It's possible, but it only one class to extend the abstract class. You can implement the multiple interfaces. It's possible to implement multiple interfaces in your interface. These are the differences between abstract class and interface. The next question is, what are the principles concepts of whoops? There are the four principal concepts of upon the which object oriented design and programming. They are abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. There are the whoops principle. There are the four main major principles. There are abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, and encapsulation. The next question is, what is the encapsulation? Encapsulation is the technique used for hiding the properties and behavior of an object and allowing outside access only as appropriate. It prevents the other objects from the directly alerting or accessing the properties or methods of the encapsulated object. The encapsulation is a technique used for hiding the properties and behavior of an object and allowing outside access only as appropriate. It prevents other objects from directly altering or accessing the properties or methods of the encapsulated objects. That is the encapsulation. The next question is, what is the difference between abstraction and encapsulation? Abstraction focuses on the outside view of an object. Encapsulation prevents the clients from seeing its inside the view, whereas the behavior of an abstraction is implemented. Abstraction solves the problem in the design side, while encapsulation is solve the problem in the implementation level. Encapsulation is the deliverables of an abstraction. Encapsulation barely talks about grouping up your abstraction to suit the developer needs. An abstraction is the general concept formed by extracting the common features of specific examples. And encapsulation is the mechanism that binds together the code and the data manipulates. Encapsulation is the deliverable of an abstraction. Encapsulation bears talks about grouping up your abstraction to suit the developer needs. That is about differences between encapsulation and abstraction. The next question is, can we instantiate an abstract class? An abstract class can never be instantiated. It's not possible to instantiate the abstract class. Its sole purpose is to be extended or subclassed. Here, abstract class never instantiated. It's not possible to instantiate the abstract classes.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.